In this video, I will show you how to download Kimi models. So there are multiple versions like Kimi K2, Kimi 2.6, but you have to understand that you cannot download a particular one that you like. So whatever you have to do is simply go to Play Store, then search for Kimi. After you search for it, you will find this app from Moonshot AI. Simply download it. From there, right now you can see Kimi K3 is now live. So the model that you will be using is Kimi K3. Or what you can also do if you're on your desktop or web browser is that once you open it, search for Kimi AI model download. Scroll down below. Here you can see model list. Click on it. Here you can see following the launch of Kimi K3, the previous versions are no longer available to newly registered users, and even to the old users, they will have to switch to newer model as soon as possible. And that's it. If you think this video was helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.